Oi! I've got my finger stuck in me bum.
I prepped some rice yesterday, like left it on soak overnight. I'm wondering whether to have it for breakfast or dinner, because I've got smoked salmon in the fridge. I forgot I had this. I got some leftover batter. It's only been there like 2 days. I'm gonna try and make a smoked salmon, scrambled eggs in a Yorkshire pudding. Maybe I need to plan my breakfast before I actually start cooking breakfast. Bank holiday Mondays always throw me off because I have a routine on a Sunday and that goes out the window because because I've got an extra day off, so I don't need to do certain things that I do on a Sunday. Can't even speak this morning, see? Completely thrown off. I don't usually whisk my eggs in the saucepan, but my jug is occupado.
Well, just bail him out with a question. I will ask him a question. Give me your phone.
This oven doesn't get hot enough. He hasn't risen. It's basically a pancake. Yeah, I don't like this oven. My Yorkshire pudding is a pancake. This is what I like to call the ballsed up, salvageable breakfast with an espresso. Voila. Take a bite. This is where everyone goes, yes, amazing. Pretty good. Lois, what are you doing?
I don't know.
That was a coincidence. Well, that was a great start to the day. Next stop, the recycling centre. Honestly, this entire weekend I've just wasted it. I've been sat here. It's been like the most dull bank holiday I think I've ever had. This is what I did with my Saturday. I bought a Vileda mop, yay! That's spinnies. Fuck my life. So while all of you were spending time with family or having a barbecue with your mates and drinking or whatever, I was sat here having a mental breakdown. The only thing I got done was I cleared most of the tools and materials from here. The bathroom needs tiling. I spoke to somebody on Friday who said he might be able to do it today. No idea if he's going to get back to me or not. I'm kind of stuck. I need someone to do the tiling so I can get the toilet and everything in. I want to get all that shit out of here. Now I've reached my favourite part of the morning where I have to do the shaky bumhole walk to my mum's, have a shower and a shit, because I've only got 25 minutes. Oops, I better hurry up. Got a toilet, sink, rubble, paint, mirrors, garden fence. I was hoping to open that and get to the blue tack so I can put the camera here and talk while I'm driving. Can't even do that because there's so much shit in the car. Here we are. Recycle centre looks dead as well, which is handy. Okay, so that took like 20 minutes to unload, and look at the state of my car. And what's even more depressing is I still got a shitload of stuff at home that I need to get rid of. I just couldn't fit it in the car. Anyway, I gotta go shopping. Fucking dust all over my hands and shit. Fucking hell. I don't get it. Does shopping make people feel horny? Doesn't make me feel horny. I hate shopping. I should come to Tesco Carnarvon more often. It's dead here. Lardons. What the f... 8 quid? This is disgusting. I mean, even by my standards, this is gross. If I took this car to a valet service, I honestly think they would quit their job right there and then. I mean, this car is just disgusting, man. I mean, a lot of it is to do with the fact that I have recently been putting a lot of junk in there and taking it to the recycling place. But even without that, I've never cleaned this car since I've had it. Not once. I will have to hoover inside here at some point. Once I buy a new hoover, because the one I've got is knackered. So I was... Shut up. So I was just at my mum's house, and the neighbour who owns that house and rents it out as an Airbnb also owns a bigger house near Penllyn, you know, the lake where I feed the swans and the ducks. If you're a watcher of my other vlogs, that is. If not, it's literally like 5 minutes up the road. Anyway, so I was talking to him and I said, I heard you had DDP staying in DDP, the wrestler, Diamond Dallas Page. And he said, yes, I did. He was staying there. I wasn't entirely sure that that's exactly where he was staying, but that's where I was told, and turns out it's true, that's where he was staying. I hope he enjoyed Wales. It's a shame I didn't bump into him. I'm not a celebrity guy, but I'd just like to shake his hand, because he saved the lives of a lot of wrestlers and is a very positive person, and I wish I could be more like that. I'm such a fucking nihilistic dickhead. Anyway, I'm rambling. So I was going to go to walk to the lake, and then on my way back up to the house, my mate texted and asked if I was doing anything, so I'm going to go over there. Bloody bank holidays. It looks worse when you zoom in on it, look. Conifers last 300 years. Look at this. Bullshit. Why do they cut them down? It's a lovely smell, though. Damn, nature, you scary. Why do humans love the smell of stressed trees and grass? We used to spend hours, throwing rocks at the sign. And missing. Yeah, of course I'm not going to be able to do it with a phone in my hand. Yeah, that sucked. That's like how America, you know, where in America where they have bullet holes in their signs. We have slate marks. We used to throw slates. Because, you know, yeah, there you go. Because it's Wales, you know, we have plenty of slates. Literally, there's plenty of slates there. There's plenty of slates there. I'm gonna try this one. It's hard when you're holding a phone as well. That was way off. Oh, come on! I was there! That was way off! Way off! You know what? Just I'll just add the sound effect of me hitting it, and that's fine. So it's 9 o'clock in the evening, heading a shortcut through Canberra to the forest, and I thought I could get away with singing Sleep Tokens of War song. So let's get swallowed whole. I wanna go where nobody else would ever go. and I got caught. The woman passing was like, hello. Big smile on her face. You know when you're drunk and you're just singing? Yeah, well, that was me. On my way home, I thought, let's go. It's one of the best views around here. I live just over there and to the left. It's a good 1.5 miles, 2 miles maybe at the most. It's really calm here though in the evenings. Summer's coming, baby! Fuck yeah! I love summer around here. And if you think that boathouse was my favourite place, this actually is. This is probably my favourite one here. Lovely and peaceful. And it's a month before the tourists start filling up this fucking place. Going swimming and shit. My evening was kind of saved. I've already titled this vlog as Bank Holiday Mundane. I thought it was a clever title. But then my mate called and we had a few drinks and he saved it from being mundane to a Bank Holiday Monday. I'm still going to call the video Bank Holiday Mundane. I'll see you in the next one. See ya. Almost home. God. I've got work in like 6 hours.